Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be setting up a week in my planner. It is the thing that I have not been doing lately. I'll be completely honest. I'm very, very transparent with you guys. I have not been reaching for my planner a lot, and I've kind of been flying by the seat of my pants, just trying to figure things out. It's the holiday season. Let's blame it on that. But seriously though, I want to keep my planner as a tool of accomplishing what I need to accomplish, and I like writing things down, one, because I can see them, and two, it's really holding me accountable versus having a digital checklist. Those don't really work for me unless I'm grocery shopping. So, which I don't do much of that either. But anyway, I want to set up my week. I want to share with you guys the inserts that I'm going to be using, and I have 2 videos coming on that. But, you know, we'll get to that. The sections that I have in my planner. Let's go over that. I have plan, goals, blog, project, and notes. I created these sections because I feel that these are going to serve me best. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated. When I set up my planner for the month, I had created my own monthly dashboard, in a sense, cloth and paper inspired. I'll be honest, I don't really look at this much, but I have a solution for 2020, so that's going to be fun. And then the new insert that I'm going to be using for the remainder of this month is from Dear Planner. I'll have the information linked below. This is the weekly plans undated, and I'm going to be trying this out. I like it so far. So let's go ahead and set this up for the week. Oh, for those of you that are new and don't know the planner that I'm using, this is an ARC Discbound half letter size planner. I have all the information in the description box, so check that out. And then for the inserts, where's the one that I'm using this week? Let me grab one. Would have been good to have it already together, Lakia. Duh. But then again, that would have made too much sense. So here we go. So this insert, you'll be seeing a lot of it, but this insert has the week here on this side and then priorities to do and notes. So how I set this up is my priorities section is my freelance stuff that I have going on. My to-do is YouTube, and then my notes is personal. Anything personal that I want to, you know, just regular stuff for myself. So the next thing I need to do is put in the dates. I'm going to put that right next to the day of the week. So the 9th, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need to schedule a hair appointment for sure. I need to figure that out. And then for freelance, I have social media that I need to do. I have some other stuff. I'm trying to think. Oh, I have blog posts that they asked me to do. So the freelance that I do is multimedia marketing, digital marketing, some other stuff for different brands within that company that they do the stuff for. So I just have a little bit of everything to do this week. And Monday, I'm trying to think. I have work Monday through Friday. So I don't really put that in though. But I guess I can just put that over here. So work. And when I put in work, that's just my nanny job, which I do in the afternoons. And then my freelancing, I can do that whenever. But I try to get it done in the earlier part of my day. But freelance stuff, I really want to get that done the earlier part of this week. I probably could have did the same thing with work, but whatever. As far as drawing the line, trial and error. It's cool. It's okay. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh, my sister's birthday outing is on Saturday. My nephews are over. I'm just gonna put that here for Friday to Sunday, and then here I'm going to put a $sign for payday for the last day of work for the week. I'll put in my hair appointment when I know about it. I'm gonna have to do some editing. I'm gonna have to choose thumbnails. I need to update my blog. Just basic stuff. And I do want to take photos. So that's that. Trying to think, is there anything else that I really have going on this week? So that's what I put here in this weekly section. This is my second week using this, by the way, but that's my purpose with this, is to put that in, and then if I have like any deadlines, I'll go ahead and put them here as well. Let's see. This would be my mommy's birthday. So that's that. Let me look back at my little monthly dashboard that I did here. And this is also a good time mapping out my week to see what I actually got done, right? So I took out my braids. I got my nails done. Do you guys like them? I've been getting compliments on my nails from you guys. Thank you so much. So that's that. My grandma had her surgery. That went well. She's back home already, which is wonderful. And then going back through last week, my nail appointment, yes, my eyebrow appointment, I visited my grandma. My hair appointment, I just got a blowout. And my team's playing. That's cool. The take out my braids, I did that. Yeah, I did that too, and I did that. So just going back through, this is what I mean by me not checking my planner. I know what I have to do. I look at it, but then I don't always check it off. I'm not going to be doing, I'm not going to be putting in like my TV shows and stuff. I don't need to do that. I just put in the football games. So I believe we're playing the Bills. I'm a Steelers fan. Steelers. Yes. We have Sunday night. Oh my God, I'm going to have to wait all day. We have, they flexed the schedule and gave us Sunday night football. So Steelers, Bills at 8:20 p.m. And I think that this is the night of a wrestling pay-per-view, which I won't be watching because my team's going to be playing. So I will still write that in, but I won't be watching that. I'll be watching my game. I can watch the wrestling pay-per-view at another time. So that is basically my week. Just playing that with you guys. Didn't take long at all. And I'm just going to go ahead up here and put week of 12/9/19. And then to separate that, I go ahead and put that little line there. And on the back, I put in work related stuff. So I'm also trying to, nah, I'm going to keep that on the back. So I'm just going to put in work related for the little girl. So let me just write that in real quick. She has hockey on Mondays at 5:20. And then she has dance on Thursday at 4 p.m. for an hour. And then he doesn't have that. Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday. And then it's gonna adjust again. Okay, this is 4 p.m. Okay, and then I put in a sticky note for my videos for the week. And then this one here, this was from this week, and I'm gonna go ahead and move this to my blog section. And here we go. And I need to actually update this. This is again a good time to check your planner at the end of the week. I can share all the tips and tricks with you guys, but I'd be lying and not doing you any justice if I wasn't honest in saying that I wasn't looking at my planner all the time, because I'm not. Realistically, I'm not. And I find myself doing a disservice to myself because I don't check my planner all the time. And it's not a good thing, and I find myself missing things, and I am more productive with my planner. I saw on Instagram someone post that they set a timer to check their planner. We think that we know everything and that we can keep it in our heads, but honestly, time goes by and you just forget. So that is that. That's what I put on the back. That's how I'm using this. And now I'm going to look at my monthly goals. And here we are, damn near halfway through December. So I'm just going to put a goals section down here of what I want to do. So social media updates. And I need to work on my memoir. I just like so slacked on that. And I need to do a budget update. And the best time for me to do this is on Fridays or the weekend, really. And then I need to map out I have a podcast with my brother, so I need to map that stuff out. And then I need to be meditating daily. So I'm just going to put daily meditation. Plus writing. Plus reading. And I want this to be on the front of the page so that I can see it and actually do it. So, and I'm just going to put a little box and then indicate that over, where can I put that? I guess I'll just put it here, as long as it's on here somewhere, of my daily goal to make sure that I get it done. And then I can check it off. And we'll see how that goes. So that is it. There is my week. I went through all of my sections. My project section and my notes section are more so for reference, but I don't really go into my goals and blog section as much. So again, it's just to have it with me so I can map things out in the future. So I think that having this in my week of just referencing everything and putting it on here will be good. And I'm also going to, I don't know why I started this and I started this one. Are you kidding me? I'm so mad. I started this week, honesty, guys. Honesty, that's what happens when you don't check your planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Yep. And I'm just gonna add this here to log my hours. It's whatever. It's not that big of a deal. But I didn't realize that I had put some empty ones in here already. Now I know. And I'm putting this week over last week just to have the most current week in my face. So there's me setting up a week in my planner. Hope you found that helpful. It was helpful to me to know that I need to look at this more so I can get my shit together. Just being honest. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have all the details on this planner, the shop that I purchased the inserts from, as well as my entire Planning for 2020 playlist. Also, the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.